Man, I don't get this weather. Why is it windy and cold outside today? So guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. So if you guys remember, about a year ago, actually I lied, about 2 or 3 years ago, I swapped out my rear view mirror for an auto dimming mirror. So a little thing that I didn't tell anybody is when I did that, I bought 2 of each. So I bought 2 mirrors and 2 harnesses. I never returned the other one. So what I'm going to do is, well, put it on Lucy's car. Car looks pretty good. So we're gonna take out her stock mirror, you know, the basic mirrors that the trims come with under the EXL, and we're gonna put in the auto dimming mirror. So as you see, I have the harness here and I have the other mirror right here. This is like brand new. Like I said, I bought 2 and I never really swapped it out. So why not just put it in this car? Because why not? So this is the basic mirror. You already see the peeling and stuff. I don't know if you guys see that. Here it is. You can see it better. So it's already like kind of going bad. So why not swap it out? So we're gonna use a T20 to take the bolt out, the little screw. I got it. No, it's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. It's gonna anything. Here's the old mirror. You can see, like I said, it's getting damaged already. So this mirror is pretty old. It's been in the car ever since it came out the factory production line. So this is the stock mirror, and this is the auto dimming mirror. And honestly, this just looks better. Like, look how good that looks. Looks really good. So we're gonna take that, and we have the harness. So you guys remember this harness right here? I swapped it out. You just put the harness in. It comes with everything. This harness literally has everything you need. You just buy it. This thing's like $40 at Honda. The mirror, now catch it. This brand new, I think it's $300. And remember, I bought this brand new, so I paid $600 for 2 mirrors. That is outrageous. But you can find this on eBay. Just look up this part number right here. Right there. See that part number? Look at that part number. You can find this mirror for like $100 on eBay, and then just get the harness from Honda. This harness is only like 40 bucks, so it's not that expensive. But this right here is expensive. But anyway, we're gonna leave the mirror there for now. Oh yeah, it does come with a new Torx bolt, because I just dropped the other one inside the car. I'll find it, but we're not gonna reuse it anyway, so it don't even matter. So simple. The mirror's out, so we're gonna come under here. So you're gonna pull this panel off, then you're gonna pull this panel off, you're gonna route the wire up here and then straight to the middle. Again, it's pretty simple. So also, if we do that, we do have the labels, so you grab these labels. Labels we gotta put on. So here, this label would be the mirror, so auto dimming mirror. You just put them here, and then so it should look something like this. So that's in. Now we're gonna put the bolt in. We have 2 plugs, so we have this one right here. It's gonna have a plug, and we have the other one right here, this connection. So you can see, there it is, that plug. And that's what these 2 connectors are for. So plug one in, plug other one in, and then, like I said, now we just take the harness and route it along the car. So I have to pull this off. Okay, so I have the wire routed through. So we're up to here, and then we're gonna get it ready to plug in. All right, update. So we got the wire through. This is back on. I'm gonna put this panel back on. Okay, put this back on. So with all that being put back on, we also gotta get the new fuse label on. So I'm gonna show you the new fuse label. So let me put this back together. So we take the 20 amp option fuse right here. It's not gonna focus it. Nope. But we're gonna put that in the 7th slot right here. See, it's not gonna focus. It's just like the reflections. Let me see. Yeah, that's not focusing. All right, there we go. So the 7th slot right there from 10 all the way to the left and the 7th slot. So we're just gonna put this label here and stick it on. 20 amp fuse. Now we're gonna actually take the actual fuse, fill this fuse inside of here. So again, it's the 7th slot in the box. I can't really show it because it's pretty dark, but I'll probably put a picture of it. Everything is routed all back together. Fix that. So everything is back together, all routed. It still works, and then I put this back in. So now we just gotta put the mirror in. So let's go get Lucy and have her put it in.
And then screw again?
Yes. Put it on here. Try not to drop it. I gotta plug this in the back of it. What do you think?
What is it gonna do?
It's auto dimming.
Oh!
We gotta put this on though to hide this wire because this wire looks ugly. You know how to do it? Alright, I'm gonna show you how to do it. So you're gonna put this.
So what is the light? I don't understand.
Okay. You're not gonna use this, but if you have a garage door, then you would program it to here. So when you go to the garage door, you just press it and it'll open it. But you're not gonna use it unless you're like living in like a apartment complex that has those gates. Or maybe it's your friends, if they give you their key, you could program it to your mirror also. So like you could just give yourself access basically. But anyway, we gotta hide this wire. It just goes in here. Like push it up. There you go, and then this piece literally just slides in here like that. Just like this. And
That's it?
when you turn it on, this green light. See the green light? So, right there. So when that's on, that means it's like everything behind you is gonna get dim. Like if you put a flashlight right now, you will like see. Actually, it's a flashlight. You have your phone? Never mind. So like, put like a flashlight on it. So like you see how it's bright?
Yeah.
So like as soon as I do this, it should start dimming. You see it?
Yeah.
Like I turn it off, it's bright, and then when I turn it on, it dims it automatically.
Is it on?
That's on.
Oh yeah.
It also like reflect pretty much all the lights behind you. Like all the headlights.
I like that. The little house.
But you don't have a garage though.
Yeah, that's fine.
I mean, I don't have one either, but I use this for work when I worked my old job. Okay, so that would be it for the install on the rear view mirror. If you guys did enjoy the video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel. I'll leave a link for the mirror if you do want to get one. And yeah, see you in the next video.